Taco Bell has some new stuff. These are the Bacon Ranch Street Chalupas. I do like these chalupas like from the other versions, so let's give them a shot. That chewy, crispy cheese shell is very tasty, actually. I've always liked when they do like the chicken bacon ranch stuff. I think the bacon actually goes really well with the chicken. A little dry though, but I think it's pretty good. Needed more sauce for sure. And then these are chicken bacon ranch nacho fries. I'm actually not that big on the nacho fries, but oh, we have no forks. Okay. Here we go. That was only chicken. I kind of feel the same about all their nacho fry stuff. I think their nacho fries are pretty good, but when you just cover in all this shit, I feel like I just like the nacho fries on their own. So this is okay. These are better, but they need like double the sauce, I think. But I do really like that crispy cheese shell. What time are we at?
Almost 2 minutes.
Okay. Fuck it, we got time.
I thought it was 2 minutes max.
3 minutes.
Ooh.
The chocolate thing. What are these called?
I don't know. Aren't they like
Empanadas?
Empanadas?
No.
I mean, like, I know what an empanada is. I don't know if Taco Bell is calling these empanadas.
Right. I was forgetting if they call them that. It's got like a soft, like a, filling. That's pretty good. And salted caramel. Feel like I wish there was apple in it. It's usually caramel apple. So the fact that it's just caramel, this one's kind of lackluster. This one's pretty good though. It's got that.
You got 5 seconds.
Oh wait, bye-bye, it was good, bye.